Hello, a bit of a quick breakdown of what happened today. First off, I just want to thank everyone who gave me a lot of support and who was thinking of me today and sending love. It really means a lot. I just had to come home and do a workout, to be honest with you. It's just been a lot going on in my head and what have you, so sorry if I'm a bit puffed out. I've just had to do a little training session, get it out the way. But basically it was an interesting outcome. I thought it was going to be the main hearing, so I thought there was going to be watching the body worn camera footage and seeing the police officers there, but it wasn't. It was just a mention. Now, I got 2 fines. I got a $500 fine for not wearing a mask, even though I explained I was exempt. I got a $1,000 fine for not giving my particulars, even though the police officer failed to show me, identify himself. He was a genuine police officer. Identified that I was a living man and couldn't prove what I'd done wrong, and didn't show any evidence that the act didn't apply to a living being. And he, within 7 minutes on the body worn camera footage, he's already taken my wallet, handcuffed me and taken my wallet. I didn't resist, and I didn't, I let them photograph me and fingerprint me in the police station. So I got a $1,000 fine for not handing over my particulars. Now, in the witness statement from the police officer, it says that he gave me them 2 fines. But in the courtroom, they've just said that they're not the fines I'm getting seen for. It's for when I went back in and got arrested. That's what the court hearing is for this time. So what she said to me was, I've got no recollection whatsoever about the 2 fines. And I said, well, it's on this witness statement here that he's given me them, so can I please have them all here together? She said, I can't do that. I said, well, what does that mean? She said, well, you have to apply to take both of them to court, but you've probably missed out on the 28 days, so you're going to have to pay the fines. So obviously I'm going to do my best to try and challenge that and try and take them to court. So bit of a mess around there, and again today was just a lot of wasted time, which is what I'm realizing is what they do. I think one of the main reasons they waste a lot of people's time is people just give up and just say, okay, I'll pay the fine or I'll plead guilty. So I wasn't in there for long, to be honest with you. So now I've got to try and chase up how to pay these fines or challenge these fines. That's next step. In terms of what I'm actually in court for, I've got a 2-hour hearing with the police officers where we will be watching the body worn camera footage and so on and so forth in February. So that's been put back till February. So nothing much has happened other than the fact that they've let me know that in the courtroom they're not actually for my 2 fines, they're for the second arrest, which is, as I said, it's a pain in the ass. I hope I don't have to pay the $1,500, but again, I'll see whatever. I'll have a little look into it and see what road to go down. I'll keep you all up to date. The magistrate was very nice, actually. Same woman, but she was a lot kinder this time. She seemed a lot more laid back. Always a reason for what happens. I met a lovely guy outside. We got talking, and we'll probably keep in touch. And so yeah, the whole day, I never complain about these things. It was nice. It's a waste of time to some degree, and it costs a bit of money and all the rest of it in terms of time and time away from the family and the stress it puts on your family. But yeah, at the end of the day, it wasn't a bad interaction. It wasn't a bad day. Met a nice guy, and yeah, and I've received all your love and prayers and best wishes, which I really am grateful for. I'm here for all of you all the time. I love you all very much. I appreciate all your love and support. And I'll keep you up to date with how I go with these fines and obviously what happens in February. So take care. I love you all. Bye bye.